you adopted should be wider than this portion, otherwise the eggs may drop down. You see, so egg should be wider than this direction. Okay. I put this one. If your egg is very small, you can get this road. You move this road to this portion. Normally, this road is in this position. Is okay. If your egg is larger, you can lose this screw and tight this screw. Then the egg direction to this position is larger, so it can break the larger egg. We have adjusted the machine before at the factory, so you don't need to adjust it normally. I send this video to you is just forward if your egg is too small or too larger. If too larger, please lose this screw and tighten this screw. If too smaller, you can take this road into this position. That's all. Oh, this part. You see, the screw position can be moved, and the gap should be in the suitable gap. Otherwise, if the gap is too large, the egg yolk may drop down. If the gap is too smaller, the egg white is also hard to flow down. So, the gap should in a suitable position. Distance. Now we adjust it in this position. It's better for most of eggs. You can adjust it according to your eggs also. Okay, that's all. Thank you.